Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am living for this lip. Do y'all understand this right now? I'm so excited and I love the way this turned out. It was requested to me just to do a quick 10-minute put together makeup video for a mom, and I was like, okay, so I knew that I wanted to do very simple on the face, very simple on the eyes, but a bold lip, because I feel like a bold lip can make you look put together. I don't care what anybody says, that's what I think, and that's what I do to make myself feel beautiful and feel put together on days that I have minimal makeup or don't have time to do my full face glam. If you are loving this look, please go down below and subscribe to my channel and become part of the beauty squad. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. That'll help me so much. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this In Transit camera up close. It's This Works Modern Natural Beauty Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer in one. I feel like skin prep is so important, especially whenever you want it to last all day long. And it's just like a 3-in-1 step for you busy mamas out there and all that, because it's a mask and primer all in one. So it's actually helping your skin as it's moisturizing your skin, as it's priming your skin prior to foundation. And I'm gonna let this soak in for at least 30 seconds. Oh, it feels so good. My skin is so dry during the summer. So I am using, personally, as we're letting this kind of soak in, I use dewy foundations, dewy skin stuff because I'm super dry. If you are super oily, get a matte foundation. I have been loving, it's the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation. I have really been enjoying this. I like that it makes my skin look, it just makes it look healthy. It doesn't look cakey, it just looks like my skin, which in the summer I am all about. I'm all about full coverage. I mean, if you know me at all, you know that I'm all about full coverage, and this has some coverage. I mean, it's gonna cover blemishes a little bit, and you can always spot conceal if there's something a little more that you want to cover up. And I'm just going to pat this in with the Damp Beauty Blender. I love a damp beauty blender. Some people love brushes. I'm not a brush girl. Now we are going to cover these tired mama eyes up. Are you ready? Okay, now I am using, I feel like y'all know this by now, the Maybelline Master Conceal. I love this concealer because it is not heavy. Like it gives you enough coverage. It brightens your under eye. I use the shade Light. And when I'm concealing just blemishes on my face, I use the shade Medium. Yes, I use the shade Medium for just concealing things on my face. It's closer to my natural skin tone. But for these tired mama eyes, I like to brighten my under eyes just a tad. Cover where I get red right here. Okay, now I am going to take a powder brush and my Dermablend translucent powder. I put a little bit right here. I'm just taking a very light amount and I'm just brushing it on my under eyes. I don't bake every single day. That's more when I'm doing like a full coverage look. But I do like to just kind of set where I put concealer because I like it to be a little brighter, and the translucent doesn't alter the color for me. And then I take the Cool Beige powder, which is the same loose powder, the Dermablend loose powder. And then I put it like on the other, I set the other parts of my face with that. So now I'm going to take just a fluffy brush. Where's my brush? And my Tarte, it's Park Avenue Princess Amazonia Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I have been loving this bronzer. I actually got this in my Ipsy bag and I've hit pan on it. And I'm gonna have to purchase it whenever I'm done because I love it. It has a slight shimmer in it. It's very, very subtle though. It like gives you a pretty glow. It's not like, whoa girl, you got glitter on your face. It's not like that. I can't stand bronzers like that. I like ones that give just like a pretty sheen. When I'm doing makeup like this, I just kind of want to look I guess dewy is the right word, that's really in the spring and the summer. I mean, I feel like everybody knows the dewy word, but I just like it to look natural and like my skin as much as possible. If you were looking at me, and I do not mind if you can tell I have makeup on. If you know me at all, I wear a lot of makeup. But when I'm doing like just a quick 10-minute makeup look, I don't do that. And I'm just hitting it all around the perimeters of my face. And I actually, whenever I wear a shimmer bronzer, I usually bring it up even to where my blush would be. I don't take it below that your natural contour line, I guess. And then I bring it temples, my hairline, and then the sides of my nose. And I usually bring it down here just to bronze my neck just a tad. Next is the eyes. I mean, like, actually, you know what? I do want to highlight just a little bit. I'm taking my MAC Soft and Gentle. It is a very subtle highlight. This is so sentimental to me. I will never forget it. And when I was with one of my friends in Humble, Texas, and story time. And we went, I don't remember what we were there for. She went with me to go shopping for something. And it was right when I first got into makeup, and I was all about drugstore. And we went into the MAC store in the Humble Mall. And I bought this highlighter, Soft and Gentle. I can remember the girl. She was so sweet. She was putting the different colors on me, saying, which one do you want to do? This one looks the best on you. My friend's name is Kim Buckley. If she's watching this, she'll be like, I remember that. And every time I wear this highlighter, it reminds me of that day with her. And this was like one of my first major like high-end purchases, and I still have it. It was from years ago. I love this highlighter. It is so pretty. It's like a glow from within. MAC has really pretty highlighters. Oh, and if you were wondering, it is the Mineralized Skin Finish. It's Soft and Gentle. That's what it's called. Now, for the eyes, I'm not doing a whole lot. We already like primed them because we put concealer on top of them and we set them with a powder whenever we set our whole entire face. I'm going to use, this is the simplest way I feel like to get a full face of makeup and you look put together with using the minimal product, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm just taking like a fluffy brush and I'm taking the exact same bronzer that I used for my cheeks. And I'm popping that all over my lid and into my crease. It just kind of gives you a little something something, gives you a little definition, but with very, very little effort. Now I'm taking a smaller blender brush and I am blending the bottom lash line with the same exact color. We ain't doing nothing else, girl. This is, whoa, powder goes. Powder gets everywhere. I love loose powder, but it's everywhere. Okay. This is the Rimmel London. It is the waterproof eye definer, and it is in the color Nude. Girlfriend, I'm gonna show you the difference. If you pop this in your waterline, it automatically makes you look more awake. It makes your eyes look bigger. This is the easiest trick, I feel like, even if you're wearing no eyeshadow, to hide tired eyes. It's probably the grossest view ever. Can you see the difference in this eye and this eye? It's so subtle, but it's a huge difference, and I feel like in person it's even a bigger difference than it is on camera. In my Ipsy bag, I love Ipsy. If y'all want me, I thought about I just got my Ipsy bag in. I haven't even opened it yet. I haven't opened anything. I do know I got a brush because the brush was not in the bag. But if y'all want me to do like an Ipsy unboxing, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll do like a try on, like open, if that makes sense. Let me know. So this mascara I got in my Ipsy bag, and it is Lash Alert mascara. Is it Eyeko? It's Iyeko London. And this mascara, I swear to you, lengthens my lashes so much. And I can't say this. This is the hardest thing for me. I have so many people that'll say, I need a mascara that lifts my lashes. And don't hate me for this, but my lashes, they curl up. Like, I don't even, when I started doing makeup for weddings and stuff, that's when I bought an eyelash curler. I never owned one because my lashes automatically stick straight up, which is why it's a pain in the butt. Pain in the butt to put on false lashes for me. So we are basically done with the face, and I am going to, just got this at the dollar store. Super excited about it. I feel like, this is my personal opinion, if you put on barely anything on your face, but you got a good lip, girl, you can slay all day. You can. That's how I feel. I feel like if you have a good lip, you cannot even have a thing on your eyes, and except mascara. Everybody has. Oh, I have to have mascara. You may not have to have mascara, but if you have a lip, your whole you're just put together. A good lip makes you look put together. My gosh, they don't want you to get into this sucker. It was the plastic wrap and a sticker. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to freaking get like a knife in here. And then when I take this off, it's gonna leave like a sticky thing. I hate that. Oh, I like the color. Tell me that color doesn't scream summer. Do you see what I mean though? I put on the lip and it's like bam, glam, put together 100%. Okay, I know this video has got long because I was talking and rambling the whole entire time. I usually can do this in less than 10 minutes whenever I actually sit down and just do my makeup and I'm not doing anything else. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below. That would mean so, so much to me. I'm so close to 100 subscribers, which is crazy to me that I just started doing videos and I'm already to 100. Like it means so much that so many of y'all support me. And what's even crazier is like 50% of that are people that I don't even know. Like that's so cool to me that actually comment on my videos and things like that. So I guess have a great day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Would make things so much easier, or for me it would make it easier for me. Golly. Okay, finally. I got it off. Y'all, it's just not meant to happen today. Not meant to happen. Do you pull it? I feel like a ridiculous person. Y'all, I'm not this week. How do you take this lid off? Don't tell anybody that happened to me.